out why I'm looking. I have the hole. We had these two boxes out in full strength. This guy has I have the tenders already. This gentleman walked up to us and said, one of these engines were assembled with the tenders. I'm just like the box of about $24,000. Every box is complete, nothing missing. We have the airplane, we have the unicorn, the collection, the blimp.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, very unique to
Yeah, you don't see those anymore.
H.D. Gilbert was the first maker of the record set. The guy over in Europe that was the same thing. So I was saying I was worth about $74,000. Get a little breeze here. So I'm trying to keep the camera pointed away from the wind.
You're leaving hard, Billy. Good seeing you, buddy. Okay.
It's Bob the Tool Man.
I got drill bits here that I can't sell.
Look at him.
So you take some of these drill bits. Here, come here.
Look at him. Look at him.
Here, go put this in your box, okay? Put your hand out. Take these drill bits, okay? You can drill holes with them. You want some drills too? Here, take some of these drill bits. I got so many of these drill bits. And I got it from my brother for free, so I don't mind passing them on to you.
Well, donate them to the kids.
Then what I want you to do is down the road to see if you can find someone showing you how to sharpen a drill bit, okay? And that would be a real good thing to learn.
Give me a hand drill, Bill. Bob, give me a hand drill.
Give me a hand drill?
Yeah, you got any hand drills?
They're getting them out of there.
Oh, man.
Get them out of the box. I told them to go through the boxes and fill up. Look, they're getting all their tools.
He wants to know about this.
They're filling up their boxes full of tools. I told these kids that they should make their toolboxes now.
Yep.
This is, you don't want this. This is for putting on a door or something like that. Okay, that's something a little bit different. I want you to get the tool.
Donate.
Okay?
Donating to the kids.
Here, and you got a brace. Okay, you got a good hammer. Good. Those are hacksaws.
Look at him. Any of you guys ever see Bob the Tool Man? You gotta buy something off him. He's always donating to somebody. Very cool. Interesting.
Here. Two of you get.
Wow, that's a good shape.
You can find over these. Okay.
Look at him. Still giving stuff away.
Whose brothers here?
No, none of us.
None of your brothers, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
What are you gonna give me, Bob? What are you gonna give me?
You don't get nothing.
Oh man.
He's going to give
Okay,
you a good
That's all right.
video clip. That's what he's giving you.
If he gives me tools, I'll have to use them. So he's doing me a favor.
So who didn't get one?
What album? They got one of those.
just saw it.
Yours? Here.
One of them got those scratches, right?
Giving them braces, hand drill. Yeah, they're hand drills, they're not braces.
Dave Mason?
Yeah.
Keep it a good shot.
Bless you, Bob.
That's the old stuff. That's a punch. Now what they use this for, when you want to drill a hole, you take this and you press it in the wood, you wiggle it back and forth. That gives you a little indentation to now start doing your drilling. So this is something that you use for doing woodworking. And you can sharpen that up. It needs to be a point. Okay, so take that and sharpen it up.
Look at that. Not even donating. He's not even donating. He's donating the tools and giving them education. All right. There he goes. Look at this. Look at the hole he's got. He's got everything. Everything.
I wish I still had those totes here that I sold for $1. That would have been perfect for him. That's a good drill.
Look at
I would
that.
hammer a piece of wood so it was in one place. So we could piece a 2x4 down.
How much you want for that hammer, kid?
Drill it.
I give you $30 for the hammer.
Go ahead.
Good
All right,
answer.
guys.
Good answer, man.
Glad to see you get the good tools.
Look at that.
You're welcome.
Kid wouldn't sell a 50-cent hammer for $30. Good kids. Oh. Here's one of my favorite haunts here. This guy, look at this, $5, $10, $1. He always got good stuff. You mind being on video there, Brian? Here you go. One of the best guys in the whole area here.
There you go.
You want a good deal? Where he's always up here, right? Same corner.
Same spot.
There you go.
3 times a year.
3 times a year. What do you miss? The winter show?
Yeah.
I don't blame you. Last winter it was like 10 degrees the whole time.
I've been to it a couple times. I've been there when it was 60. I've been there when it was like 10.
Same here. I've been there when it was a blizzard and there was only 13 people.
There was no winter show. There was no show this year? Came up. Nope. It's not, wasn't even listed on the board.
How much are these going for?
$5.
Wow.
$5
It's a $5 table. Always good deals. Always good stuff. And it never brings the same garbage back. Here you go. 57 Chevy radio. What table is this? $20. $20 for a nice Black & Decker. This is like the second day, actually the third day, because we get here and everybody gets the good stuff. But this place was packed earlier. Everybody's closing up now. Yeah, what I'm doing now is called bottom feeding. Looking for the deals that nobody sucked up.
Somebody actually looked at it? He knew what it was. She gets mad if you don't.
running in Poplar Mechanics in 1945 and 46. Priced it at $35 in 1945 and then raised it up to about $40. That's with the coil, ignition system, ready to go.
Huh.
And they also made a launch.
Oh, hold on. Sorry about that. Go ahead.
They made a launch where you could actually put it in a little boat at an angle and run a prop with it. And
Let me tell you, I've never seen one. These are old as models here, and they're all new stuff, right? Within 10 years or so. But this here,
that's an original.
Popular Mechanics, way back when? 1940, you say?
45, 46.
Wow. That's even back then, right? And that was probably an old engine for them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I see them sell on eBay between $700 and $900. And if they're missing parts, the fellas find me and I supply the parts for them that's missing so they can get them together.
There you go. Anybody needs model parts or models, buy the whole kit. It's the place to go. Look at that. That's a lot of work. You know, people buy these and don't realize what goes into these.
Each piece is a project.
Yeah. I remember I had the Maytag, 2 Maytag kits.
Yeah.
And I brought them home, opened them up, and I said, no, no way. No way I'm going to do it. So, all right, thanks. Thanks for bringing this.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh, you gotta settle with them.
Now we have.
Now you get some views, because Gil don't get no views.
I gotta change it. There's nothing to them, really. Well, mine won't run with that little engine, though. Mine will run with my M. I have the gear in, yes. And that M should run that, that's for sure.
Steam was on too. How much did that steam?
You have a steam in that one right now. But, no, steam! Steam's hard to come by. Why do you have a boiler? Yeah, so